When it comes to creating a comfortable and inviting home, few improvements make as big of an impact as upgrading your windows and doors. At the Village's Window Replacement and AMP Doors, homeowners discover just how transformative these changes can be, not only for aesthetics but also for energy efficiency, safety, and overall comfort. Enhancing energy efficiency. One of the biggest factors in home comfort is temperature control. Old or poorly installed windows and doors can leak air, making your heating and cooling systems work harder than necessary. This often leads to higher energy bills and a less comfortable indoor environment. By choosing modern, energy-efficient windows and doors, the Village's homeowners enjoy improved insulation that keeps hot air out during summer and warm air in during winter. High-performance glass options and advanced sealing technology reduce drafts and help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. The result is a home that feels consistently cozy, without the strain on your HVAC system. Boosting natural light and ventilation comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about how a space feels. Replacing old windows with updated designs allows more natural light to flow through your home, instantly brightening your living areas. Natural light not only creates a more pleasant atmosphere but also supports better mood and wellness. Additionally, new windows provide smoother operation, meaning you can easily open them for fresh air whenever you want. Better ventilation improves air quality and adds another layer of comfort to your home environment. Improving safety and security. Feeling safe in your own home is essential to overall comfort. The Village's Window Replacement and AMP Doors offers modern solutions designed with security in mind. Today's replacement windows and doors come with stronger frames, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass options. These upgrades not only deter intruders but also provide protection against severe weather. Whether it's heavy rain, high winds, or accidental impacts, knowing your home is secure adds peace of mind for you and your family. Enhancing curb appeal. Comfort isn't just about how you feel inside, it's also about how you feel when you arrive home. A fresh set of windows and doors can dramatically improve the curb appeal of your property. From elegant front entry doors that make a statement to sleek, modern window designs that complement your home's architecture, these updates instantly elevate the look of your house. When your home looks great from the outside, it enhances pride of ownership and creates a warm welcome for both you and your guests. Reducing noise and creating peace. Another overlooked aspect of home comfort is noise control. Outdated windows often let in outside sounds like traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity. With properly installed replacement windows, homeowners in the Villages benefit from superior sound insulation. This noise reduction creates a calmer, more peaceful home environment where you can relax, sleep better, and fully enjoy your living spaces. Adding long-term value. Investing in replacement windows and doors isn't just about immediate comfort, it's also a smart financial move. Quality installations increase your home's resale value and appeal to potential buyers. Future homeowners will appreciate the energy savings, modern look, and improved security. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, the long-term benefits make this investment worthwhile. You'll enjoy lower utility bills, fewer maintenance issues, and the lasting comfort that comes with high-quality windows and doors. Conclusion. The Village's Window Replacement and AMP Doors offers more than just a home improvement service, it's a pathway to a more comfortable, efficient, and secure lifestyle. From energy savings and enhanced safety to beauty, peace, and long-term value, upgrading your windows and doors is one of the best ways to improve your home. For homeowners in the Villages who want to maximize comfort and create a space they truly love, the key lies in choosing the right windows and doors. It's an investment that pays off every single day you step into your home.